Hello guys, PhilAutoKill is here and I am back to do another video. I know it's been a long time coming, but this is a very special video because as you can see to my right, we have all of the components to build a new PC, and it's my first time, so I guess you could call me a virgin. So yeah, we have all of the specs here. As you can see, we have the RAMs, we have the power supply, we have the SSD, we have the CPU, we have the motherboard, we have the graphics card, and we have the Wi-Fi card, and we have this beauty, the case. All of them will be in the description down below if you want to check them out, because obviously I'm not a geek, I don't know all of them, so you could check it out. Also a video that my friend recommended, who is behind you right now, Mystery Man Q. You might know him from from my Twitch. And yeah, we're gonna build all of this. It's been a long time doing this, but my old PC, it fucking sucks. So yeah, we're just gonna do this, and hopefully you will see. Hopefully you will see something good. Yeah? Okay, peace. Okay guys, that was the whole progress of building this PC, and as you can see, what? Look at this, this is sexy as fuck, okay? This is really sexy. Let me tell you, this is amazing, and I couldn't do this with a good friend, Rasmus. Get the fuck out. No, but yeah, bye. Hey guys, this is PhilAutoKill. Just want to say thank you for watching the video. I know it's a bit short and a bit scuffed, but they're just a new beginning, guys. I swear to you, because now that I got a new PC, new things are coming. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. For those who watch my Twitch streams, this video is for you guys, because I just want to let you guys know that I am coming back. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.